There's the 19th question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. And it's telling you that angle R is 2 pi over 3 radians. Angle T is 5 pi over 12 radians greater. So we need the angle T. So we got to add them. But in order to add fractions, you need to have a common denominator. So you multiply 2 pi over 3 by 4 over 4. You get 8 pi over 12. You add it to 5 pi over 12. You get 13 pi over 12. And then to convert from radians to degrees, you got to multiply by 180 over pi. And when you do so, you get your correct answer, 195. To see the full-length video, check us out. Go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. Find the playlist, Test 3, Module 1. And number 19, the longer videos just below these shorter videos. Also, click subscribe. And if you need practice radians to degrees, check out this other video that you see up top. And have a great day.